For a science project, Sammy observed a chipmunk and a squirrel stashing acorns in holes. The chipmunk hid 3 acorns in each of the holes it dug. The squirrel hid 4 acorns in each of the holes it dug. They each hid the same number of acorns, although the squirrel needed 4 fewer holes. How many acorns did the chipmunk hide? So let's let C equal the number of holes the chipmunk dug. And Q is going to equal the number of holes the squirrel dug. And so we know the chipmunk did 3 acorns per hole, and the squirrel 4 acorns per hole. An equation we can make, so if the squirrel needed 4 fewer holes, we can make the equation Q is equal to C minus 4. And then we also know that the number of, since they hid the same number of acorns, it's going to be true that, so 3 times C is the number of acorns the chipmunk dug, and then 4Q is the number of acorns the squirrel stashed. So those are going to be equal because we're told that they stashed the same number of acorns. So next, looking at this equation, Q equals C minus 4. If I multiply both sides of the equation by 4, what we get is 4Q is equal to 4C minus 16. And so I want to try to solve for C here. So I notice that I can plug in 3C in for 4Q. So we're going to get 3C is equal to 4C minus 16. Do some rearranging, and we get that C is equal to 16. So that tells us the number of holes the chipmunk dug, but we want to find the number of acorns the chipmunk hid. So the number of acorns the chipmunk hid, since it stashed 3 acorns per hole, is going to be 3 times 16, which is 48. So therefore the answer is choice D.